Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat. Today we are going to discuss a general arithmetic, a question which is related to the general arithmetic here. So here AB over A plus B, what should be the value of this? AB over A plus B, it is equals to what? When 5 power A and 7 power B, it is equals to 1225 is given here. So let's start this question here. 5A, it is equals to 1225. We have to find out the value of 5, so we have to take out 1 upon A power on both sides. 1 over A on both sides. Here we have to apply the power rule. So A multiplied by 1 upon A, it is equals to 1225 power 1 over A. So this A will cancel out to this one, and this is the value of 1225 whole power 1 over A. This is say equation number 1. Now 5A, it is equals to this, and 7B, it is also equal to the same number here, that is 1225. Now we have to consider this is 7B, it is equals to 1225. Again we have to find out the value of B here. That means we have to take out 1 over B on both sides. So this is 1 over B, that is equals to 1225 power 1 over B. So we have a double power here, so they will multiply to each other, and this is 1225 power 1 over B. So again this B will cancel out to this one. So this is the value of 1225 B power 1 over B. This is say equation number 2. Now if we have to multiply equation number 1 with equation number 2, so then left hand side, focus here, left hand side will multiply with the left hand side and right hand side will multiply with the right hand side. So here 5 multiplied by 7, this is the left hand side of equation number 1 and 2, and this is the 1225 whole power 1 over A, right hand side of equation number 1, multiplied by 1225 power 1 over B, multiply the equation number 2 of the right hand side. Now here 5 sevens are, that is 35, and this is base are same, then their power will be sum up to each other. Yes, if we have the bases same here, things like that here, A square multiplied by A power 3, base are same, then their power will be sum up to each other, so that will be equals to 5. Using the same rule here, this is 1225, we have the same bases here. So this is 1225, bases are same, so this is 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. Now we have to take out the LCM here. This is 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. So this is 35. It is 1225. Now take out the LCM. Simple LCM, A multiplied by B. This is AB, and then B multiplied by 1 and A multiplied by 1. So this is B plus A. Or we can write down this one here, 35. It is equals to 35 to the square A plus B to the power A plus B over 2. 35 square means 35 multiplied by 35, we will have the 1225. So the 1225 can be written in the form of 35 to the whole square. Now here We have a double power again here. This 2 will multiply by this one. So this is 35. It is equals to 35 to multiply by a plus b over ab. Now again the bases are same here. When the bases are same, then their power will be equal to each other. If the power are same, then the bases will be equal to each other. So we have to apply this rule here. In this situation, bases are same, so therefore 1 is equals to 2 times a plus b over ab. Now this ab, it is in denominator. Then we have to shift here, so it will multiply with 1. So ab multiplied by 1 remains same, and this is a plus b times 2. Now this a plus b is multiplied with 2. When we have to shift to that side, it will be in the division form. So this is ab over a plus b. It is equals to 2. This is the answer in this situation here. ab over a plus b, it is equals to 2. It was a very interesting question, dear students. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Allah Hafiz.